Hello friends, today I have with me a video on black holes. So first let's answer the question, what are black holes? Black holes are one of the strangest things in the universe. It is an enormous amount of matter packed into a minimal area. To better understand, think of a star 10 times more massive than the sun packed into a sphere approximately the size of New York City. This results in a gravitational field so strong that even light can't escape. Because no light can get out of black holes, they are invisible. It requires a space telescope with special tools to find a black hole. These help us see how stars close to the black hole act differently than the other stars. Now let's have a quick look at the elements of a black hole. A black hole consists of an event horizon, which is the gravitational boundary beyond which neither light nor matter can escape. Next is the accretion disk, which is a swirling mass of matter destined to spiral into the black hole or be ejected into space. And lastly, we have the relativistic jets. These are matter and radiation which are extending out hundreds of thousands of light years. Now let's answer a very important question: how are black holes formed? A collection of massive hydrogen atoms is what makes a star. In their core, hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. The liberated energy, in the form of radiation, pushes against gravity and maintains a delicate balance between the two forces. A star is stable enough as long as there is fusion in the core. In stars much more massive than the Sun, the heat and pressure at the core allow them to fuse into heavier elements until they form iron. Iron builds up in the center of the core until it reaches a certain critical point, and suddenly the balance between radiation and gravity is broken. This results in the core collapsing and imploding into itself. Moving at about the quarter of the speed of light, it feeds even more mass into the core. It is at this very moment that all the heavier elements in the universe are formed. As the stars die in a supernova explosion, they either turn into a neutron star or a black hole. So now let's look at the different types of black holes. Black holes are categorized into 4 types. The first is the supermassive black hole or SMBH. This is the largest type, amounting to an unmeasurable amount of solar masses. This is usually found at the center of the largest galaxies in space. In our solar system, the SMBH is located at Sagittarius A. The second type is the intermediate mass black hole, which is a hypothetical class with a mass ranging from 100 to a million solar masses. Although the existence of intermediate mass black holes has still yet to be proven, there is indirect evidence that they exist using various positions from known stars. The third type, known as the stellar black hole or stellar mass black hole, is formed when a massive star collapses. Their masses ranges from 5 to 100 solar masses and can be observed as either a gamma ray burst or a hypernova explosion. These types of black holes are also called collapsers. The last type is known as a microblack, a mini black, or a quantum mechanical black hole. They were introduced by Stephen Hawking in 1971. Lastly, let's answer the question, can a black hole destroy Earth? Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close to the solar system for the Earth to do that. Besides, black holes do not go around the universe swallowing stars and planets. Suppose a black hole were to take the place of the Sun. Earth would still not fall into it and would orbit the black hole as it would orbit the Sun. Scientists are using spacecraft and telescopes traveling in space to learn more about black holes. These spacecraft are what help the scientists answer the unanswered questions of the universe. Thanks for watching.